Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that could change the way you approach your YouTube journey. The most profitable niches on YouTube with high CPM, cost per meal. If you've ever wondered how some creators seem to effortlessly rake in the cash while others struggle, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore various niches that not only attract a large audience, but also come with lucrative advertising rates. From finance and technology to health and wellness, we'll break down what makes these niches so appealing to advertisers and how you can tap into them for maximum earnings. But it's not just about picking a niche. We'll also share tips on content creation strategies that resonate with viewers and keep them coming back for more. So whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting out, stick around as we uncover the secrets to thriving in these profitable spaces. Get ready to unlock your potential and discover how to maximize your earnings on YouTube. Let's jump right in! Tech review channels have emerged as some of the most profitable niches on YouTube, boasting impressive CPM rates that can significantly boost a creator's earnings. With the constant release of popular tech products like smartphones, laptops, and smart home devices, there's always fresh content to explore. Audiences are eager to stay updated on the latest innovations, making tech reviews a hot commodity. The interest in technology is universal, spanning various demographics and attracting viewers who are keen to make informed purchasing decisions. This high engagement translates into substantial ad revenue, as brands are willing to pay top dollar to reach an audience that's actively seeking their products. Successful tech reviewers like Marcus Brownlee, Unbox Therapy, and Linus Tech Tips have capitalized on this niche, amassing millions of subscribers and generating significant income through sponsorships and affiliate marketing. Their in-depth analyses and engaging presentation styles not only inform viewers but also build trust, leading to higher conversion rates for advertisers. If you're considering entering the tech review space, now is the perfect time to leverage this lucrative niche and tap into the growing demand for tech content. The finance and investment niche on YouTube is a goldmine for creators, renowned for its lucrative CPM rates. With an ever-growing audience eager to enhance their financial literacy, topics such as personal finance, stock market tips, and cryptocurrency are in high demand. Viewers are not just looking for entertainment. They want actionable insights that can help them make informed financial decisions. As more people seek to improve their financial well-being, the desire for investment strategies and money management tips has skyrocketed. This niche attracts a diverse audience, from young adults wanting to learn about budgeting to seasoned investors looking for the latest market trends. Channels like Graham Stefan, Andre Geek, and Meet Kevin have excelled in this space, providing valuable content that resonates with viewers. They offer everything from in-depth analyses of stock performance to practical advice on saving and investing in cryptocurrencies. By combining engaging storytelling with expert insights, these creators have built loyal followings and capitalized on the high CPM rates associated with finance-related content. If you're passionate about finance, this niche could be your ticket to success on YouTube. The health and wellness niche on YouTube is thriving, drawing in high-paying advertisers eager to connect with an audience passionate about improving their lives. Covering a wide array of topics such as fitness routines, nutrition advice, and mental health. This niche caters to viewers who are increasingly invested in their well-being. As more people prioritize health, the demand for reliable, engaging content has surged. Viewers are not just looking for quick fixes, they seek sustainable lifestyle changes and expert guidance. This growing interest has created a vibrant community where individuals share their journeys and support one another. Successful health influencers like Chloe Ting, Dr. Mike, and Yoga with Adrienne have made significant impacts in this space, offering everything from workout challenges to holistic wellness tips. Their authentic approaches and relatable content resonate deeply with audiences, fostering trust and loyalty. As a result, brands in the health and wellness sector are willing to invest heavily in advertising, recognizing the potential for high returns. If you're passionate about health and wellness, this niche presents a fantastic opportunity to create meaningful content while tapping into a lucrative market. Travel vlogs, analyzing the travel vlogging niche and its potential for high CPM earnings. The travel vlogging niche is a captivating realm on YouTube, offering creators the potential for high CPM earnings through visually stunning content and engaging storytelling. The appeal of travel content lies in its ability to transport viewers to exotic locations, showcasing breathtaking landscapes, vibrant cultures, and unique experiences. This immersive visual storytelling not only entertains, but also inspires wanderlust, making it a favorite among audiences. Popular travel destinations like Bali, Paris, and Tokyo frequently feature in vlogs, as creators share their adventures exploring local cuisine, hidden gems, and thrilling activities. These experiences resonate with viewers who often dream of their next getaway or seek travel tips for their own journeys. Successful travel channels like Kara and Nate, Fun for Louis, and the Bucket List family have effectively monetized their content through sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and merchandise. By building strong connections with their audiences and providing valuable insights, these vloggers have turned their passion for travel into profitable ventures. If you have a love for exploration and storytelling, the travel vlogging niche offers an exciting opportunity to share your adventures while potentially earning a substantial income. The gaming niche on YouTube is a powerhouse, attracting a massive audience and offering creators the potential for high CPM earnings. With various formats like Let's Plays, game reviews, and esports commentary, there's something for every type of gamer. Let's Plays allow viewers to experience gameplay through the eyes of their favorite creators, while reviews provide insights into the latest titles, helping gamers make informed decisions. Esports content, showcasing competitive gaming events, has also surged in popularity, drawing in dedicated fans eager to follow their favorite teams and players. One of the most compelling aspects of the gaming community is its engagement and loyalty. Gamers often form tight-knit communities around their favorite channels, participating in discussions and supporting creators through likes, shares, and subscriptions. This level of interaction not only boosts viewership, but also enhances monetization opportunities through sponsorships and merchandise. Top gaming channels like Pictory.AI, Markiplier, and Ninja have achieved significant success, amassing millions of subscribers and generating substantial income. Their unique personalities and entertaining content resonate with audiences, solidifying their status as gaming icons. If you're passionate about gaming, this niche offers an exciting avenue to connect with fellow enthusiasts while potentially earning a lucrative income. The beauty and fashion niche on YouTube is a vibrant and lucrative space, renowned for its high advertising rates and dedicated audience. Covering a wide range of topics such as makeup tutorials, fashion hauls, and skincare routines. This niche attracts viewers eager to enhance their personal style and beauty regimen. Whether it's a step-by-step guide to achieving the perfect smoky eye or a haul showcasing the latest trends, creators provide valuable content that resonates with their audience. Beauty gurus wield significant influence over consumer purchasing decisions, often shaping trends and driving sales for brands. Their authentic reviews and engaging personalities create a sense of trust, encouraging viewers to try new products and styles. This influence has made collaborations with brands highly sought after, resulting in lucrative sponsorship deals. Successful beauty channels like Nikki Tutorials, James Charles, and Zoella have thrived on YouTube, amassing millions of subscribers and creating strong personal brands. Their ability to connect with audiences through relatable content and expert advice has solidified their status as leaders in the beauty community. If you have a passion for beauty and fashion, this niche offers an exciting opportunity to share your creativity while tapping into a profitable market. In today's video, we've explored some of the most profitable YouTube niches that offer high CPM rates, including tech reviews, finance and investment, health and wellness, travel vlogs, gaming content, and beauty and fashion. Each of these niches not only attracts a massive audience, but also provides creators with unique opportunities to monetize their content effectively. The key takeaway is that by focusing on topics that resonate with viewers and align with your passions, you can tap into lucrative advertising opportunities and build a loyal following. We encourage you to consider these niches for your own content creation journey. Whether you're sharing your travel adventures, offering financial advice, or showcasing your beauty tips, there's a space for you to thrive. Remember, the right niche can lead to both personal fulfillment and financial success. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with friends who might be interested in starting their own YouTube journey. Your support helps us create more valuable content and guides aspiring creators like you. Thank you for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create.